Today's look is inspired by Urban Decay's Wired palette. Okay, so now we are going to try to recreate this orange color. Now, ideally, I would love to use like one of these colors, but the packaging says that I can't use any of these 4 colors around the eyes. So we're gonna have to improvise. I don't have a yellow eyeshadow, so I'm gonna show you how we're gonna recreate this orange, okay? First, I'm gonna take this eye primer because it's a white base color. So we're gonna put this down and then we're gonna add some color on top of it. So we wanna put this as a base so that it can pop. So I'll show you. This palette, I'm just gonna put this bright yellow color. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and use this color right here. Okay, so now that I've applied all of our colors from this palette, well, from the wording of this palette, I thought it was fun, so I just wanted to do something fun and like a little spin off of this little palette, whatever. So we have all of this. We're gonna go ahead and blend the colors, and then we're gonna go ahead and put the black on the bottom. So let's go ahead and just blend everything in, make everything look okay, and then we'll come back.
So blue, me piercing through. I can't forget the day we met. Your smile so bright, it made me swoon. Our love is like a summer's day, hot and endless in a magic way. Whenever I see you, all I can think is my summer love. Been waiting for you, my love. My summer love. Been waiting for you, my love. I can't forget the day we met. You looked so fly in your red Corvette. Your hair, your look, your everything. When I see it all, I knew that you were mine. I'm in love with your hair, your lips, your silhouette in the moonlight shine. With my love, you won't ever be alone. My summer love, been waiting for you, my love. Completely a fool, been waiting for you, my love. Head over heels, I'm blinded by what I feel. My love is forever yours.
Okay, so now I have all of my black on my lid. So now it's just time for me to just go in and just blend all of these colors and just make it look smooth, because right now it looks like I've just been beat up. So I'm gonna go ahead and just blend all this together, and then we're gonna finish up with the eyeliner, mascara, lips.
So blue, me piercing through. I can't forget the day we met. Your smile so bright, it made me swoon. Our love is like a summer's day, hot and endless in a magic way. Whenever I see you, all I can think is my summer love. Been waiting for you, my love.
Okay, so now we're gonna take our HD Concealer and Foundation by RK Kiss.
I can't forget the day we met. Your eyes so blue, me piercing through. I can't forget the day we met. Your smile so bright, it made me swoon. Our love is like a summer's day, hot and endless in a magic way. Whenever I see you, all I can think is my son.
Okay, so now we're gonna take the tattoo liner from Kat Von D.
I can't forget the day we met. Your eyes so blue, me piercing through. I can't forget the day we met. Your smile so bright, it made me swoon. Our love is like a summer's day, hot and endless in a magic way. Whenever I see you, all I can think is my summer love. Been waiting for you, my love. My summer love. Been waiting for you, my love. I can't forget the day we met. You looked so fly in your red Corvette. Your hair, your look, your everything. When I see it all, I knew that you were mine.
Okay, so now that our eyes are done, we're gonna go ahead and do our lips. Now, since our eye is just so dramatic, I wanna keep the lips a little bit more simple, okay? So I'm just gonna line them lightly. So I'm just gonna line them. Okay, so this is another gloss that I think I got from the beauty supply store as well. It's Essence Wet Look Lip Gloss, like a nice nude color. So this is different. So tell me what you guys think. I know it's not like everyday wear for a lot of people, but I just wanted to do something different and fun. So tell me what you guys think. Please comment below. Also, if you haven't already done so, please hit the like and subscribe button. Also, hit that little bell notification so that you can, or the little bell symbol so that you can get notifications when I do upload new videos. Other than that, thank you so much for tuning in. Please, again, tell me what you guys look or think, or what you would like to see me do next. And you guys enjoy your day. See you in 1 week.